Hello friends, and welcome back to the series of the interview questions for the Big Four companies, that is for the companies of KPMG, PwC, Deloitte and EY for the position of statutory auditor. Today I have came out with the question of what are the audit assertions of balance sheet and profit and loss account, and also I will share the shortcut word which will help you to remember those points. So let's start with the video. So for the balance sheet items and the profit and loss items, there are different audit assertions. So for the balance sheet items, the audit assertions are completeness, rights and obligation, valuation and existence. And to remember these points, we can use the shortcut CROV. C for completeness, R for rights, O for obligation, V for valuation and E for existence. In completeness, we will see that all the assets and liabilities has been recognized properly in the current reporting period. In rights and obligation point, we will see whether the entity has a right to ownership of assets and obligation for liabilities. In valuation, we will check whether the assets and liabilities has been valued properly, the mathematical accuracy to be checked in this case. In existence, we will see whether the assets and liabilities of the company actually exist in the company as shown in the books of account. That is, physical verification arises in this case. Now let's discuss the audit assertions of profit and loss transactions. The assertions are completeness, occurrence, classification, cutoff, accuracy. In short word, we can call it COCOA, COCOA. C stands for completeness, O stands for occurrence, C stands for classification, O stands for cutoff, O off, and A stands for accuracy. For completeness, we will see that all transaction during the year has been recorded in the accounting period. For occurrence, we will see whether the transaction has actually been occurred during the period. In classification, we will see that the transactions has been classified in the proper head. In cutoff, we will see that the transactions has been recorded in the correct accounting period. And in accuracy, we will see that the transaction has been recorded at an accurate amount. So along with the balance sheet and profit and loss audit assertions, there is also an audit assertions of notes to account, that is presentation and disclosure. And these audit assertions is a mixture of balance sheet and profit and loss transactions. The assertions are completeness, occurrence and rights and obligation, classification, accuracy and valuation. In completeness, we will see that full material disclosures have been made in the notes to account. Occurrence and rights and obligation, we will see that the disclosed events which are shown in the notes to account of the financial statement has actually been occurred. That is, entity has the right of ownership of the assets and obligation of liabilities. In classification, we will see that the disclosed items has been actually classified in the correct head of the books of account. Accuracy and valuation, we will see whether the information disclosed in notes to account are accurate and valued properly, that is, their mathematical accuracy are being checked or not. So friend, these are all the audit assertions with shortcut word. I hope it will be beneficial for you for the interview question. And at last, I must say, if you like the video, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends who is in need of this information. And also, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel, which will help me to bring more informative videos for you all in future. Till then, all the best for the interview rounds. Thank you.